Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to very easy and free extract text from any part of the screen to your clipboard. We have this text here in this video and I was wondering if it's possible to do that with a free built-in, like almost built-in tool, and it's definitely possible. I'm going to show you how this works. I click Windows Shift and T and I get this pointer here. I go over this area or I mark this area and then I invoke the notepad here. So this is a live test. I press Ctrl V and you can see absolutely perfect, even though it was a little bit leaning, not straight. This is pretty impressive, and so this is how we can do that. It's a part of the free Microsoft PowerToys, so we can invoke the store. We hit the Windows key, type store here in this field, and we have the Microsoft Store here. And then we type PowerToys, and you should find this Microsoft PowerToys. And then you click on install and wait till it's installed. Yeah, why is it showing still install? I have it already installed. I have no clue. And after we have installed it, we can hit the Windows key again, type PowerToys, something like that. And so we can activate or deactivate a lot of these features. And one of these great features is the text extracting. There's some small tutorial here again to turn it on and off. Here's some tutorial, and here is how to use. Hit Windows key, Shift and T, but you can also change that. So super easy, really, again. So we can do also the whole thing here. I mean, this is super small. I have no clue if this works. Yeah, there was just one error here, but it's really super small. So for me, definitely a very positive surprise about the performance. So I can highly recommend it. It's free. Go and get it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.